Hey everybody, I'm John from Legacy Woodworking Machinery. Last week, we did a faux raised panel door. This week, we're gonna work on a mullion door. Let's get started. All right, the first step is to set our first offset. This is for the back side of the door. So let's go in here real quick. Notice today we're using the laser. We can go ahead and just turn that on. Okay, and let's get this set. Notice how the laser is splitting our jig and our waste material. This is going to give us a perfect offset for our y-axis. All right, with both offsets set for the back side of the door here and the front side of the door here, we're ready to move our gantry out of the way, put our material into place, set our Z-height, and get to work. Let's get going. Now remember last week, we used this jig here. We're just gonna go ahead and just tap this into place. 2 taps with the mallet is gonna be plenty. This board ain't going anywhere. Because we're not cutting through the material, we're gonna set our Z-height on the top of the workpiece. Okay, you'll notice how instead of cutting out and pocketing this entire area, what we did was just cut out the tracks where we know that the blade from the top side is just going to cut these all away. Let's go ahead, flip this over, and work on the top side now. With the dust cleaned off, let's go ahead and break our door free and see what we got. Okay guys, there you have it. We just finished making our one-piece mullion door, cut out, ready to receive glass and hinges.